get ice cream soon.
We're gonna get ice cream soon. We get to go to a buffet tomorrow.
That's what you cut me off for?
Yes. Hi.
Hi.
I made you blurry. Sorry. I'm gonna fall. Oh my god, I almost fell.
Okay, graphic theme.
Graphic theme. We should do lady look. We're ladies.
Oh my god.
How do we fit in this box?
Yeah,
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Hug me. I don't.
3, 2, 1.
The face I decided to make it was so bad. Oh my god, I hate them all.
I thought you crashed it.
Wait, there's this. We're on the hunt for juice for Amanda because Amanda needs juice, even though there's like soda machines everywhere, but no juice. We found a winner store because we're winners. Help me. Stop.
Yes, we are.
Oh, we're gonna press the button?
Yeah.
There we go. Look at the fishies, this giant fish.
This goes really fast.
Oh my god, I didn't even notice it till you said. That was terrifying. Can we do it again?
It dropped, so yeah.
Oh, your tattoo looks good. Wait, let's go up. Why don't we just go up?
Oh no. Oh no, this goes so fast. No, hit down. Hit down.
We're assholes.
No, it's
Ready?
Look how fast it goes.
Oh my god. I felt my feet lift up like a Six Flags. We had to find juice.
But I
it was so specific. It was so specific that she wanted juice and now she got tea. And there's the casino.
Follow me, friend.
We're not allowed to go that way. We're not 21. Can I have some more tea? Give me it. Thank you. Do you feel like you just took tea from Amanda? Because that's what I was going for. Now you're gonna give the tea back to Amanda.
Thanks, friend.
It's so scary.
Here we go.
Stop acting like that. We literally just got
stuck. It just stopped. Then it started going.
There's no 13th floor. Is it because people think 13's like unlucky?
This is scary.
Oh my god, bless you. Look at my outfit. I got new shorts on. How's your outfit? Your hair looks like can't be tamed. Vogue cover.
Haley, don't get blown away. We're waiting for the shuttle right now to go on a ride. On the shuttle, taking a random trip. Don't know where we're going.
But we're going.
Because adventures.
They're making it difficult for me to edit my YouTubes. Yo, yo.
This rebel bitch, I'm not going that way. Oh no, she beat me. Oh no. Wait. Do you see that? Oh no, it's no focus. We should have a new edition where Amanda narrates everything. Oh no, it's blurry. I feel like a mom using the camera. So she was so proud at the fact that this revolving door is automatic. Way too excited, you can't even see her. Oh, well, there she is.
Oh.
Look at you. Yeah, Haley.
We're not gonna get to the other part.
You said you felt like a noodle.
Oh yeah, I did feel like a noodle. I was like, when did she say she's walking on sunshine again?
Oh, there goes the noodle moves. And there's the automatic door still going strong. Going.